Welcome to the peaceful, serene KOLE Fields of Kerala. As we walk through the lush green rice paddies, let the sounds of nature surround you. Feel the gentle breeze, listen to the distant calls of birds, and immerse yourself in the calm beauty of this place. With every step, we sink gently into the soft earth. The rice fields stretch out in every direction, a peaceful green carpet beneath the vast sky. Take a deep breath, inhale the fresh earthy air, and exhale, releasing any tension. The rhythm of nature is all around us. Listen closely. Can you hear the water flowing through the channels, gently feeding the rice plants? The sound is so calming, like a soft melody of nature. The breeze picks up, rustling the rice stalks, whispering through the air. Let's stop for a moment. Listen to the rice stalks sway with. Let the sounds and the beauty of this place wash over you. You are part of this moment, just as the birds, the river, and the breeze are. As we drive through the heart of the rice fields, the road winds gently between endless stretches of vivid green. The rice plants, still young and fresh, stand tall in perfect rows. As we walk further, notice how the scenery begins to shift. The colours of the landscape so vibrant and rich, almost as if painted by nature itself. This place feels timeless, doesn't it? Take a deep breath and let the gentle breeze calm your mind. We're standing on a bridge. It stretches between two lush green fields, the rice plants swaying gently in the distance. Can you hear the river flowing just below? We're walking together, step by step, the concrete beneath our feet. It feels steady, peaceful. The breeze whispers through the fields, and the river hums its song just beneath us. You feel at peace. The river, the wind through the grasses. It's like the world is speaking softly, gently. Now take one last deep breath in, and as you exhale, look up, the sky is vast. So wide, birds are flying high above flocks of them. They move in graceful patterns, like they are dancing in the air. Look, there go more birds. The cranes in a perfect V formation, their wings fluttering gently, their calls are soft, distant, rice fields have been here for centuries, nourished by the water from the backwaters, tended by hands that know the land. Every step is a connection to the earth, to the generations that have walked here before us. And the soft rustling of the leaves creates a calming symphony as the breeze sweeps through. On both sides, the fields stretch as far as the eye can see, creating a sea of green that seems to hum with life. Occasionally, a small bird flits past, adding a brief flash of colour against the vast expanse. The landscape is peaceful, untouched. Thank you for joining me in these fields today. May you carry the calm of this place with you, wherever you go. Until next time, let nature's peace continue to guide you.